Installation of Infinity Deck, PVC membrane on a concrete surface. In this project, we start from an existing concrete surface that has been previously repaired to ensure a solid and uniform base. On this substrate, the Infinity Deck system is installed, a solution that provides complete waterproofing, a high-quality aesthetic finish, and the required non-slip safety for users. Substrate condition. The concrete substrate must be solid, uniform, and smooth. Any imperfections must be corrected in advance to achieve a finish free of cracks or irregularities. Proper slopes must be created to ensure effective water drainage. Substrate moisture verification. Before installation, it is essential to check the moisture level of the substrate using a moisture tester. If the reading exceeds 5%, the substrate must be artificially dried by covering the surface with a tarp and applying heating systems until the required values are achieved. Substrate cleaning. Once repairs are completed, the surface must be thoroughly cleaned. This step is critical to ensure proper adhesion and to eliminate any debris or contaminants between the substrate and the membrane. Primer requirement in humid ground conditions. If the concrete slab is laid on natural ground with persistent humidity levels due to a high water table or permanent water contact, a primer coat must be applied before installing the Infinity Deck. The primer penetrates deeply, consolidates the substrate, and acts as a barrier against rising moisture, ensuring optimal and long-lasting adhesion of the Infinity Deck system. While the primer is still fresh, fine sand is evenly broadcast over the surface. Allow it to dry for 24 hours. After drying, remove the excess sand to obtain a clean and properly prepared surface ready for installation. PVC profiles installation. The perimeter is the first anchoring point of the system. PVC profiles are installed along the entire perimeter, either flat or angular, to allow subsequent welding of the Infinity Deck membrane. In areas with structural elements, such as drain covers or other construction details, the installation must be adapted. For this purpose, a 0.85 mm thick PVC strip is used, allowing precise fitting at each point. This process ensures complete waterproofing and a clean, perfectly integrated finish. Application of water-based adhesive. The Infinity Deck system is installed using a water-based adhesive, a technical solution that eliminates the risk of bubble formation caused by solvent evaporation under heat. The adhesive is applied evenly using a roller. It is important to clean the PVC profiles carefully. This is essential for a strong and reliable weld. Installation of Infinity Deck. A 400 grams per square meter geotextile layer is installed using the same water-based adhesive. Once installed, a new layer of adhesive is applied over the geotextile, followed by the placement of the Infinity Deck membrane. Roll the membrane with a weight roller to ensure perfect adhesion. Once positioned, the membrane is welded with hot air to the previously installed profiles. The different pieces of Infinity Deck are joined using 1.5 mm thick welding strips, previously bonded to the substrate with a water-based adhesive. The butt weld technique ensures a perfectly smooth, continuous surface and complete waterproofing. Final finishes. For perimeter finishing, the Infinity Deck membrane is bonded to vertical surfaces using contact adhesive. The membrane is then hot air welded to ensure strong and precise adhesion at all joints. Once completed, two finishing options are available. Leave the membrane visible, showcasing its aesthetic qualities, or install a termination profile for the perimeter.